Hello everyone, welcome to Quanta AI Labs. Today we learn about FLUX.1. This is the ultimate beast in image generation. So let's start. So Black Forest Labs.ai created this model and there are three variants. So if you click on Get Flux, so you got the three variants. One is Flux Pro, which is available only on the APIs. Second one is Flux Dev. You can use it on the ComfyUI, Replicate or Hugging Face also available. And Flux.Channel, it's available on similar to Flux Dev, but is lesser variant and this is mostly commercial use. And the Flux Dev is not non-commercial. You can't use on the commercial purposes. Just like as written here also, the Flux Pro is non-commercial also. You can't use it, but Flux Pro API is available on Replicate, File.ai and OpenArt. You can check it out, the link in the description. Let's go on the one by one. So on the Flux Pro, so let's show you the Replicate interface. So yeah, you can use directly writing prompt. So API costs you some $0.055 per images. So you can use it from here. Second one is the Flux Dev. So this is here, Flux Dev. This is the model card Hugging Face link. So all the models is 12 billion parameters uses and the Flux SD3 is 2 billion. So they are not in the same line. If you see here, there is an inference API. You can write a prompt and compute it here also. And this is the models which is created on this model. For example, adapters, fine-tuning models, merges. If two model merges, this is the merge model. This is a big model. So for example, you need some quantized models. So there are a lot of 10 quantized models available here. And you can download the model from here by seeing this thing, FLUX.1 dev safe tensor. It is 24 GB model. So you can use that one. I will tell you how to install in ComfyUI all this stuff. Let's see the Flux.Channel. It's similar like that only. 12 billion parameters, but the output of Flux Dev is more good than the Chanel, but it's like a similar. Okay, we can use both the models in the coming video. So let's go with the how to install all this thing. Okay, let's go in the Flux example. This is the main file I will provide in the description where you find the models. For example, your system is not supporting this FP16 variant. So if there is FP8 variant also of this model presented here. Okay, let's go to ComfyUI only. So it would be more easier for you guys to understand. So before going to ComfyUI, I show you how where to paste the models, and so there is a clip already presented here. For example, these are the clips, these are the VE. I tell you where to install and where to put all the models. So first start with the Flux Dev Safe Tensor or Flux Dev Chanel. So the two models you need to put in the ComfyUI model unit folder. So you need to go to ComfyUI and go into the models folder and go into pasted in unit. So here you find out your models. So Flux Dev and the Chanel. I put the link of the command in the description box. So you can directly use it from there. Just copy and paste it here. In the previous video of installation of Hugging Face models from Hugging Face, you can watch that also. This is a link in the I button. You can use that or in the description. So let's go on the ComfyUI. That's how to use the models and how to paste the models in the ComfyUI. Then let's see on the ComfyUI. So this is the base workflow. So this is different from which we already did. But that doesn't mean that we don't use that key sampler. So here is a sampler custom advanced. You can use the key sampler also here. Okay, key sampler. So you need model. So you need to give model from here. Okay. So and you need latent. You need to give the latent from here. And you need clip. So give the positive clip. Let's make a copy of it and give it in. And you can use this one only. So you can use both the methods, the but the thing is, this is the difference in the case sampler only. There is no difference in the images you got. You can use sampler custom advanced. You can use case sampler. It's like a same. I will show you. So first we see how to install the models here. For example, dev we have, and we need some pre-built clips. So here is dual clips. So I will share the link of how to download it. So here you go above here. So this is the link for the clips. You can download the clips. So use FP8 if your RAM is less than 32 GB, and if use FP16 when your RAM is greater than 32 GB. Okay, let's go back to the our ComfyUI. So this is the clip you can install, and where you put the clip is, go to the models, and the clip you need to place it. This is both the clips. Okay, you selected here. You select the model. Now the guider, the sampler we use, the user and all the things, it's like say similar. Let's run this thing. Let's run. Okay, let me write one prompt. Okay, we need to put the VAE. Okay. So one thing is they need a different VAE, so you also need VAE also. So let's go to this one and click here. You find the VAE link here. ae.ceph tensor, or you can find in the model part also. If you go into files, so this is the VAE you got. ae.ceph tensor. This is the VAE. Load all the things, just give prompt. Let's see how it goes. We are using the FLUX.1. So this is non-commercial model. You can't use it partially. Okay, let's see. So you got the output from the sampler custom advanced. So you can use both the things we see here. The steps is 20 only, denoise is 1. The CFG, okay, the CFG we need to change it here. So you need 1 CFG because we don't need a negative cron. So we can use this one, the CFG scale to 1. What's the output we got? Maybe there is some difference because we put the CFG 0.8, but we need to change to 1. Okay, yeah. So let we rerun. Okay, the girl is same, but it's creating some random image. We didn't fix the seed. So you see the difference is not in that much. So I put this workflow in the description. So you can download and use it, play with it. And the next video we'll learn about how to use samplers, different samplers, and how we got how to use this case sampler and how to use this case sampler and when to use. Okay, why we using denoising outputs and why we are not using outputs here. So in coming videos, this is the complete series of Flux. You learned a lot about the Flux model. This is the complete beast. You are using different LoRa's, IP. There is a lot of IP adapters coming right now for Flux. So hope you like this video. If you like the video, subscribe our channel. Share this video with your friends, the ComfyUI guys and the AI engineers. Hope you like it. Thank you.